Okay, Jenny, that's got things cleaned up. How you feel?
Good.
Good?
Great.
Good?
Yes.
Okay. We'll check back in about 3 months. A lot of these may shed over the next couple of weeks or so. Some of them may not, but a lot of them will. In about 3 months, they'll be starting to grow back in. We just want to make sure that you're ready to start training them, getting some eyebrow wax, keeping them mashed down, because they're going to take a little bit of effort over the first few months and first year to get everything flattened down. They're pretty flat now, but they could use a little help. I'd hold off on dyeing the eyebrows themselves for about 3 months.
Okay.
Regular hair you can dye in the next couple of weeks.
I assume that you don't want me tweezing them, which I don't
Not
plan
yet.
to.
No.
Or ever, really?
Well,
Or
no,
just
you
a
can.
facial
Once
razor?
everything settles in and we're good. Yes, if there's something that's just forever going to be out of place and you want something defined in a certain more shape, you can.
Okay.
And if some of these don't shed and they need to be trained, you can start using little eyebrow wax even now.
Okay.
We're 10 days out. You can start keeping them matted and flat and in eyebrow wax even now.
Okay.
But for a good while, all I would do is you can trim one that's not wanting to shed and is growing too long, and trim it down short.
Okay.
And then you can take a little facial razor and
Clean
do
up
those
around
and clean up around
Okay.
the edges. Give that a little bit of time also, but you can do it. You can tweeze them over the long term once
Okay.
everything's settled in.
Okay.
It's just that has the potential to not come back and you might want them.
I don't know if I'll do that, considering that's what got me here to begin with.